Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, you're that Abel Minzino? Outer Yantis Sosimus Urge.
You have 3 wives, bro. That's not good. You are Habash and Baltazar. And yeah?
CDA, thank you so much. I'm sick and all, thank you.
It's so much. Then I got to top that.
Alex. Like, you need to be like this, like, hook N.
Like this?
Yes, hook N, yes.
Yeah, it's nice actually.
Like Desta, when Alex Desta, oh my gosh, when Abel and Alex fight, when he was just triggered for any.
You want this trigger?
Yeah.
እኔ እኮ የወንድማማቾች ጥል ነው የምንጣለው ታውቂያለሽ። ጋይስ እየቀጠቀጠች ነው ጋይስ። 8 ሰው አዋ ጋይስ ፋሚሊ 8 ሰው። ትልቁን ይህች ልብ ትልቋን ፍላወር ስጡኝ ጋይስ። ከሞን
No, Alex.
Oui.
Machi Abel and Anten any Andalai Bonnet.
Can we do this one private, please? Or if you want, we can talk today.
Huh?
Can we do private this one, please? Or
Alex?
Donut.
I said, like, can we do private this one? Or like we can talk today, if you want.
Yeah.
If you want.
Yeah.
Maybe after a few months. A few months.
Okay.
I will, and then like, even like we invite Melly.
Invite Manu. CDA, thank you.
Melly.
Huh?
Melly.
Oh, what did you think so much? ባዘዌ እሱን ነገር ላይ ብትሰራበት ይሻላል ታውቃለህ አሌክስ።
ምኑ ላይ?
አሁን ያወራው ነው።
With Molly, I did for you, bro. I did everything.
That's not about being wife and husband, bro. I'm just talking about for you.
About what? ችግር የለውም Daisy. You will be like እንዲባል ሽማግሌ for Melly. And then እኔ ደግሞ የአቤል ሽማግሌ ሆናለሁ።
አሌክስ እኔ አሁን ማገባ ይመስለኛል እውነትን ለመናገር አሁን።
Listen, Daisy, that's a good news. Like he want to marry. I want to marry.
I'm tired of being playboy, bro.
And then I come to your house and then I said, please give us your daughter.
Aragba.
Alex, speak English. I speak English.
Yeah.
አማርኛ እያወራው ነው እንዴ?
No.
እንግሊሽ እኮ እያወራው ያለው።
አዎ ዛሬ ለሁለት ባልና ሚስቶች እንደዚህ ተጣምሮ ነው የመጡብኝ ታውቃለህ። ያቺ ጎዶሎ የሰው ጎዶሎ።
Alex. Remember what you said when we were on video call? No, I can't. No, by private.
Okay. And now when I come to your house, he said, "Setanachual." Say unamari, setanachual.
Guys, when Annie and Alex beats Ali, when we have beats,
ስመጣ ማለት ነው አፋቸው አይከፈትም። ግን አልመጣችም። ዲቦራ በጣም ክዳኛለች። በማሜ ነው የካደች።
ዲቦራን ጥራት ከፈለግ ሼር አድርግላት እንዴ።
ምን ነጠገበሽ? ቆይ ልደውልላት እንዴ?
ደውልላት። የት ነው ያለሽው? ግራ ጎኔ በላት፣ ግራ ጎኔ ብላት እንጂ።
አረሳማ እንትን ነው ነች